Hello everyone, I am Dhairya Purohit, student of third year Aerospace Engineering of NIMS University, Jaipur. I am here to share my story of a journey that changed my dreams into destination, supported by a university that believed in my potential. Thanks to the visionary leadership of Honorable Chancellor Dr. Balbir Singh Tomar sir and persistent efforts of our training and placement cell, I was selected for prestigious student exchange program, under which I spent 2 enriching months in UCT Prague and all-in Unipetrol at Litvinov under Schengen visa. I just not only get the technical exposure but also a global mindset. My journey didn't stop there. At the end of my second year, in my summer break, I secured an internship at Agni Aerosports Bengaluru, and in my winter break, I secured internship at IIT Guwahati, where I learned artificial intelligence application in aerospace industry. Today, I feel honored and proud to announce that I am being a third-year undergrad student to get research opportunities from 2 renowned and prestigious institutes of India, one being LPSC, Liquid Propulsion System Center at ISRO, Kerala, and second one at IIT Jammu for a Propulsion Engineer Intern program. I am also the student who gets selected as ISRO Nodal Center Student Coordinator under the guidance of Professor Irfan Nazarwani to ensure our students get connected to our leading Indian space agency, ISRO. I owe my success to my parents as well as the teachers who guided me on the every step. My journey just began like yours. If I can do it with my passion, consistency and hard work, so can you.